Give me your phone.
No.
Excuse me? Give it to me.
No.
Am I speaking another language?
Clearly, since you don't know what no means.
You were texting in my class.
I was texting my mom.
Yeah, while I'm teaching.
It was urgent.
Well, you do that on your own time.
Actually, I can't. She went to surgery.
Then you'll see her when she comes out.
I'm not giving you my phone.
Excuse me? Did you pay for it?
What does that have to do with anything?
You say it's your phone, but someone else pays the bill, like your mom or dad.
Well, my mom can take my phone if she wants. Oh, wait, she can't because she went to surgery.
Would you like to go to the principal's office?
I'd love to.
Give me your phone first.
Are you kidding me?
I won't let you disrupt my class.
Me disrupt your class? You could have finished your lesson by now.
I'm not gonna ask you again.
It's my phone.
And it's my class.
Did you pay for it?